Hello and welcome to SGN Tech Forum. Yes, we are going to talk about DeepSeek R1. There is so much buzz around this new LLM model and how it can run so efficiently without expensive GPUs, right? So, what we are going to do, we are going to actually install DeepSeek R1 on our Jetson Nano developer kit. And previously, we have done this video where we are doing a first boot of Jetson Nano, and now let's put it to the good use. That means install DeepSeek R1 on top of this. All right, with that, let's go and check out our first tool, which is Ollama. And you may ask, what is Ollama? If we are talking DeepSeek, we are talking Jetson Nano, what is Ollama, where it comes into picture? So let's understand what is Ollama. If you're new here, what is Ollama? Ollama is a free open source tool that allow user to run large language models, LLMs, on their local machine. Think of this as a platform like your GitHub, allow you to fetch the LLM models and run it locally. Here, run LLMs locally, create and share LLMs, customize model, work offline, and so on. So let's go to Ollama, and here you can see it's pretty straightforward. You can come and hit download. You can see it's it has so many models available, and recently it updated with DeepSeek R1 as well. Before we go and download, obviously we will install it on Jetson Nano, not on my local machine, so that we can also look at the performance, etc. Let's understand how to work with Ollama. And for that, go to the go to GitHub Ollama repo, and here you can see we have very nice quick start or readme. You can download your software from here. If you are on Linux, you can simply curl to this. But what we are interested in, how to run and chat. It's very easy. All you have to do is Ollama run and your model. That's it. And so far you can see there are so many models available, and within this you can see there is no DeepSeek. So this is probably not updated as of yet, but why we are here to familiarize ourselves how to work with Ollama. And for that you need to know this. Just like git pull, you're going to do Ollama pull and the model name, and Ollama run model name. That's how you can start, and you can also create your model and export that. Those things are also here. Pull a model, remove a model. Once you're done, you can remove the model, copy a model, multi-model. That means it can understand images, audio, etc. So all those things you can do. You can list all the models on your computer, Ollama list. You can also see which models are running, because at the same time you can have multiple models running, depend on the resources. So this is how we are going to work with Ollama. Pretty straightforward, simple commands. Now let's go to our Jetson Nano and download Ollama first. I'm VNC to our Jetson, and we are going to say ollama.com and download. All right. So we can do a one line install as well. So let me go ahead, copy this, and mind it, it's VNC. It's a little bit slower. We could do better if we use the headless or the SSH option. All right. So obviously curl option is not available. Let me go ahead and install curl. You can use snap as a package, or you can use regular apt install. I'm going to use apt install. Perfect. Let's try again. Here you go. You can see installing Ollama to user local, and it is downloading Linux ARM64 bundle. Mind it, right now I'm connected to internet. Obviously, that's how we are downloading the model. But once we install Ollama, you are safe to run it locally without any connection to internet. That means all your questions are being reasoned and answered locally, and your data doesn't leave the local machine. All right, Ollama is installed, and I happen to pause this video because it has taken a little bit longer. Unsupported Jetpack version detected. GPU may not be supported. All right, so we need to upgrade our Jetpack. But for now, let's focus on Ollama. So we have the Ollama installed. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to pull our model, and that is DeepSeek R1. Ollama pull DeepSeek R1, and we are pulling the smallest model, that is 1.5 billion parameter, 1.1 GB. All right, so Ollama DeepSeek R1 pull complete. Let's see. Let's do a list and see what models we are running. We have this DeepSeek, the only model available here. So now let's go ahead and run this Ollama run, and we want to see all the output and the model name. Perfect. As you can see, this is ready. Our model is ready. At this point of time, we can disconnect it from internet and continue using this. So let me ask any message. Perfect. See, we are getting a response. Hello, how can I assist you today? Amazing. Total duration, it is printing all the performance metrics as well. So we know that Ollama is a reasoning model. So let's do something uh, about reasoning. So I'm going to say which one is higher, 9.11 or 9.9? And let's see. And you can tell, right, if we are running it on internet, it will be like really fast. But since we have constraint on GPU and the model is also small, you can see it is doing computation locally or reasoning locally and printing as the result. Awesome. Awesome. It's like it doesn't just tell you the answer, but it it is teaching you. It is teaching you the strategy, how it is coming to the result. Just like how we teach in school. I can tell you, I'm loving this. This is, though it's a little slow, I'm going to update my jetpack and see if the GPU problem here. And once the jetpack is compatible, maybe the performance will increase. But so far, what I see, I'm loving it. And I think this is really good if you want to do some I don't know what is your use case, but if you don't want to share your data or you're afraid that your data may leak out to wider internet or it can be used to train other models, this is the way to go. This is amazing. This is amazing. Let's talk about some general knowledge. Reasoning is fine. All right. The reason I ask this question because I cannot pronounce what is this capital. So I hope this is correct. Um, I know this is correct, in fact. So that's the reason I asked this question. What should we ask now? We have asked math. We have asked general knowledge. Let's ask something opinion. I am asking this question. That doesn't mean I doubt global warming. I know we need to conserve nature and global warming is really a thing, but I want to hear from DeepSeek R1 what is their opinion. As you know, pretty much all Gen AI models, they're very verbose. If it is multi-model, that means you are having a conversation. It's not polite, but it is recommended to talk over them. Otherwise, they'll keep on talking. So you need to interrupt them. I wish something was possible here as well. I don't want to cut short this. Let's see how much in detail it is going to give us the answer. Very good. And I'll let you read this. Yep. All right. This is good enough. So let's go ahead and close the session. What you can do, you can do backslash and question mark, and it will list all the available command. You can see we have set session variables. We can show model information, load another session or model, save your current session. And finally, we want to say bye and exit out of this model. I'm going to go and say that's all. I wanted to show you how you can run DeepSeek R1 locally on your machine without any internet connection. Obviously, you need internet at first to install things, and everything stays on prem and data doesn't leave to internet. I hope you like this video. Please go ahead, like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in next video. Thank you.